I want to introduce you to a School Exeat Management System which I just developed. And this is the login page. But before you come to the login page, there is a page loader that loads. So this is the page loader, RICT Consult Exeat Manager, powered by RICT Consult. Then it loads to the login area where you enter your username and password. Right, so once your password is correct, it loads the dashboard or the administrator side. So you have your welcome admin, that's the username. Then these are the various navigation menus. When you click on setup, you get this page, house, where you will load. But before that, let me take you through the general overview of the application. So this summary area will give you number of students on Exeat, those who are male, those who are female, today's date. Then this will take you to a page to create students. Then this will also link you to a page where you create Exeat. Then we have the student view or view students. That is where you can view reports on students. Then you can also view Exeat report by clicking on this summary area. Then below here, there is an overstayed record table, which gives you at a glance students who have overstayed their Exeat and the number of days that they've overstayed. So when they return, you need to click on edit to update the record so that it gets out of the overstayed area. Okay, so when we come to the navigation bar, we have setup. Under setup, you see house or hall. When you click on this, it will help you to create houses or halls depending on the school that is using it. So let's say I'm creating house 10. You just type house 10, then you submit. As soon as you submit, it will add to the house list here. You can edit or delete a house depending on whether there's record in it or not. Okay, right. Then we have the student form, which you can use to create student records. Then we have the house master form, which you can use to create house master records. That's their name, email, username, password, and contact. Then we come to the Exeat card where you can create Exeat. So to create an Exeat, you just click on you search by either student ID or index number. So if I select student index number and I click on search, it will pull the student's index number or ID, then the student name, the profile image of the student. Then request date is the date that the student is requesting for the Exeat. Then return date will be the date that the student will return. Then the purpose of the Exeat, maybe I want to go to the hospital. Then you select status. So here you approve it, then you submit. Right. So now when you go to the Exeat report, you see that a student Exeat has been created successfully. You can either edit or delete the Exeat. Okay. Or you can edit it in case you made a mistake. Right. Then we have student list. This list will give you the number of students in the hall or at the house, where you can also export the report either to Excel, PDF, or you can print it. This is a list of students at the hall. Okay. Then we have the house masters list. This will give you a list of the house masters. Then we have the Exeat list, which will give you the list of students on Exeat or who have requested for Exeat. Then the overstayed list will give you a list of students who have overstayed their exit. So this is basically a simple exit application. And going forward, we will integrate an SMS function, which as soon as a student requests an exit and is approved, text message will be sent automatically to the parents so that the parents will know that the award have requested for an exit. So when you are done, you just click on, you can either change your password here, or you click on log out to log out from the system. So this is basically a simple student exit application developed by Kwakudapa, the general manager of RICT Consult. Thank you for watching, and I hope you buy and use for your school.